guys, it's your girl Jalen. Today we're going to be seeing if they restocked on the squishy yo-yos. I already found one. The unicorn. It's not that squishy. See? Oh. See? Really, it's squishy. Is that all they have? So this squishy. Oh, those are those little daddy fingers. Them finger puppets. Daddy finger. No, but I'm just seeing these little yo-yo lip glosses. This one is like a bendable. Bends. Oh, there's some more in this. They have a cupcake. You can see it. It's not that squishy. We're gonna see if they have slime. So, they have some Flart. Let's go look for some more to put in my slime collection, or any squishies at all. So, no. Y'all have been asking me to collect these Monster High things. They have these My Mini Mix. Let's go to the Easter thing. Come on. And my brother. And so the Easter, I've been requesting the Easter owl has putty or slime, I'm guessing. Come on. Please, Trey, come on. Trey, please, come on. So, yeah. So whenever we get over there, I will be back. So we found the Easter aisle. So, Trey, we're looking for squishies or slime. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's a ball shooter. Okay, we're not there. The only thing that I found close to slime was the 6 fun day stuff. So we're gonna see if it's on the other side. So there's lots of eggs. No, Trey, where are you going? So, got another. These. Oh, I remember getting those that are just shiny. Never get them. Oh my gosh, there's a little mermaid tail. Because the red one is not red. And it's like so small. Come on, Trey. And so, yeah. Let my brother do whatever he's doing. So, none in there. Oh my gosh. I'm not seeing it.
Right here.
Who are you talking to?
What? Oh, sick!
Oh, the.
Awesome.
Okay.
Get it. Oh,
Sorry guys, I paused. Don't know why. Oh, this is cute. It's lip balm glasses. Good ice cream. Their stuff is like just so.
Oh, look!
Well, he found a squishy. It's one of those air squishies.
I found them. Wait, I found one somewhere. I forgot.
Found it right here.
No, I just saw one.
Look, Trey. It's supposed to be in the basket stuffer stuff. So whatever. What? I know I'm not looking for Zia. And so we're going down the balloon aisle. So that's practically the party section. No, it's not gonna be down here. Sorry guys, I didn't find it, but there's some slime down the party section. I just remember seeing some slime. I find it. That's cool. They have a scented pen. I think you found it. What's up? I was down the party section. Do you even know what we're looking for? So if y'all are ever looking for it, hold on. They're in the basket stuffer. Well, I just don't know what, huh? There's just like so many basket stuffing. Here's some more squishies. Pick that up, please.
I know these.
Oh my gosh, pick that up, please. There's this one. Don't put it in here because I'm digging it up. There's these little centipedes.
I'm gonna try to launch this.
Don't. Doesn't launch.
Don't want to.
There's this green one. It's a little froggy. If I didn't show the pink one, it's a piggy. So, and there's a lizard. Found it! Oh my gosh, guys, I found it! So I found it. It's these 2 putty eggs for 98 cents.
Oh, yeah, time.
Okay, here you go. Bye, guys.